Hi, today I'm going to show you the golden problem of SOT 27. And in SOT 28 to 29 is our last SOTs in the day before the class will end. So today I'm going to show you the question and the answer this. So in here it says identify 3 points that lie on the line. So algebraically that they lie on the line. 3 or more points occurring here if the slope of any two pairs of points is the same. Okay? What are the intercepts of the line? The intercepts of a line are the points where the line intercepts or crosses the horizontal and vertical axis. Rewrite the equation in and line intercepts or crosses the horizontal and vertical axis are the line of the points. Rewrite the equation in slope-intercept form. What is the slope of the line? The form y equals mx plus b means slope of m and y-intercept b. Similarly, the form y equals to mx plus a means slope m and y-intercept a. Okay? What is the thread of the line? Is it rising to the right or falling to the right? Why? Rising to the right because it is on the serpentiform line that can show the prevailing direction of rise. Here is the problem. Graph the linear equation using any of these online tools. So I use Geogebra. So here it is. This is the line, the intercept form, and as you can see, I have the equation 1 here. And the first step you need to do is look this line on what's going on here and it's gonna be rising to the right. How do we get that? The first thing is solve properties of a straight line. So here is 24x minus 12y is equal to 48. The slope here is equals to. The x-intercept is equal 4 over 2 is equal to 2. So divide this, 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2. The y-intercept is 4 over minus 1, which means that this one it means is you have to divide it, okay? So equals 4.0000. So step-by-step solution. We arrange the equation by subtracting what is to the right of the equal sign from both sides of the equation like this. Okay? So 24, and this is the times x minus 12 times y is equal to 48. And that means it's equal to 0. Step 2. Equations which are never true. The slope here is 12 is equal to 0. And the equation has no solution. A non-zero constant never equals 0. So this one, this next step is equation of a straight line. So 2x minus y minus 4 is equal to 0. You recognize that we have an equation of a straight line, such as the equation is usually written y equals mx plus b. So that means y equals mx plus b is the formula of a straight line drawn on Cartesian coordinate system in which y is the vertical axis and x the horizontal axis. So in this formula, the y tells us how far up the line goes, the x tells us how far along. M is the slope or gradient, i.e. how steep the line is. B is the y-intercept, i.e. where the line crosses the y-axis. The x and y-intercepts and the slope are called the line properties. We shall now graph the line 2x minus y minus 4 is equal to 0 and calculate its properties. So this is the example. It's a graph of a straight line. When you see here, you can see the y-intercept and here is the negative 4. The x-intercept here is positive 2. Okay? So when you say up, it means rise. That means this is a green one. And you can see run here, and run here is color red. So you have to notice that when x is equal to 0, the value of y is 4 over 1, negative 1. So this line cuts the y-axis at y minus 4.0. Okay? The y-intercept is equal to 4 over negative 1. Or should I say equals to minus 4. When y equals to 0, the value of x is 2 over 1. Our line therefore cuts the x-axis at x 2.0. Okay? The x-intercept here is 4 over 2 is equal to 2. So we have to divide, okay? Slope is defined as the change in y divided by the change in x. We know that for x is equal to 0, the value of y is 4. And for x is equal to 2, the value of y is 0. So for a change of 2 in x, the change in x is sometimes referred to as 1. We get a change of 0. And then minus the open parenthesis minus 4 and close parenthesis equal to 4.00 in y. The change in y is sometimes referred to as rise, and the slope is m, rise, and run. Okay, the slope here is 2. So again, here is the geometric figure straight line. The slope is equal to 2, the x-intercept is 4 over 2, is equal to 2, and y-intercept is 4 over negative 1 is equal to negative 4.0.